Hello everyone! Today, I'm excited to share a fantastic feature with you. Dynamic Island. Originally an iPhone feature, but it's now available on Android device too. Yes, you heard it right. So I'm currently using it on my Android and I'll show you how to get Dynamic Island on your device. So before we dive in, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe for more content like this. So now, let's get started. To begin, you'll need to install an application. Check the link in the description for the app. Once installed, open it and grant the necessary permissions, allowing it to read notification from all your apps. Enable the Dynamic Spot option in the app settings for smooth functionality. Next, in your device settings, turn on the Dynamic Spot accessibility. With permissions set, click Done, and you're ready to customize your Dynamic Island. You can adjust its position, color, and other settings to suit your preferences. Now, head over to General Settings to choose the Show Always option, enabling live activities. You can also pick 6 apps for quick access, a handy feature that displays these apps when you tap on Dynamic Island. These apps offers some fantastic feature, such as showing music controls when playing on Spotify or displaying navigation direction when using maps, mimicking the iPhone experiences. So that's it. Try it out yourself and let me know in the comments how you feel about this app. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye.